everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
You just installed Ubuntu. Congratulations, you've officially joined millions of people around the world who chose freedom, speed, and stability over the chaos of Windows. But now you're staring at this beautiful desktop thinking, what do I actually do next? Don't touch anything yet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 10 most important things every beginner must do right after installing Ubuntu in the exact right order. Skip these steps and you'll run into problems later. Follow them and your Ubuntu system will be fast, secure, beautiful, and ready for anything. This is your Ubuntu Starter Checklist. Let's go. Section 2, Step 1, Update your system. Step 1, and this is non-negotiable, update your entire system before you do anything else. Open the terminal, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. This is the most important keyboard shortcut in Linux. Memorize it right now. Type this command, sudo apt-update and sudo apt-upgrade-y. Let me explain what this does. Sudo means you're running this as an administrator. Apt-update checks for the latest list of available software. Apt-upgrade downloads and installs every available update. The by automatically says yes to everything so you don't have to confirm each package. Press Enter. Type your password, you won't see it typing. That's normal in Linux, and press Enter again. This process takes anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes depending on your internet speed. Let it finish completely. Done. Your system is now fully current. Every security patch, every bug fix, everything. Make this a habit, run this command every week and your Ubuntu will stay rock solid. Section 3, Step 2, Install essential software. Step 2, install the essential software every Ubuntu user needs. Ubuntu comes with a solid base, but there are a few things missing that you'll want immediately. First, install the Build Essentials. This is a package that includes compilers and tools needed by almost every application you'll install later. Sudo apt install build -essential-y. Next, install curl and wget. These are download tools used constantly by installers and scripts. Sudo apt install curl wget-y. Now install Git. Even if you're not a developer, Git is used by many installation processes. Sudo apt install git-y. And finally install VLC Media Player, which plays literally every video and audio format that exists. Sudo apt install VLC-y. You've just installed 4 of the most universally useful tools in Linux with 4 commands. That's the power of the terminal. Things that would take 20 minutes of clicking and downloading on Windows take about 90 seconds here. Section 4, Step 3, Enable additional drivers. Step 3, check for additional hardware drivers. Ubuntu is excellent at detecting your hardware automatically, but some components, especially graphics cards and Wi-Fi adapters, perform significantly better with proprietary drivers. Click the Applications menu, search for Software and Updates, and open it. Click the Additional Drivers tab. Ubuntu will scan your hardware and show you any available proprietary drivers. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you'll likely see NVIDIA drivers listed here. Select the recommended option, usually the newest tested driver, and click Apply Changes. If you're running Ubuntu inside a virtual machine like Hyper-V, like many of you watching this, likely you may not see anything here, and that's completely fine. Your VM handles drivers at the host level. Restart your computer after applying any new drivers. Section 5, Step 4, Install ubuntu-restricted-extras. Step 4, Install ubuntu-restricted-extras. Out of the box, Ubuntu can't play MP3 files, certain video formats, or some web content. This is because of software licensing. Ubuntu ships without proprietary codecs by default. One command fixes all of that. Sudo apt install ubuntu-restricted-extras-y. During installation, you'll see a license agreement screen for certain fonts. Use the Tab key to select OK and press Enter to accept. After this installs, Ubuntu can play MP3, AAC, FLAC, AVI, MKV, WMV, basically every media format you'll ever encounter. Firefox can play DRM-protected streaming content too. This single command eliminates one of the most common complaints new Ubuntu users have. Section 6. Step 5. Customize your desktop. Step 5. Customize your desktop to look and work exactly how you want. Ubuntu uses the GNOME desktop environment by default. It's clean and modern, but a few tweaks make a massive difference. First, open Settings. Go to Appearance. Here you can switch between light and dark mode. I always recommend dark mode. It's much easier on the eyes during long sessions. Now let's install GNOME Tweaks. This unlocks dozens of customization options that Settings doesn't show you. Sudo apt install GNOME-tweaks-y. Open GNOME Tweaks from your Applications menu. Some things worth changing immediately. Under Top Bar, enable weekday and date, so your clock shows the full date. Under Windows, enable Center New Windows so new windows open in the middle of your screen instead of the top left corner. Under Fonts, you can increase the font size if text feels too small on your display. Now let's also install GNOME Extensions Manager. This lets you add powerful extensions to your desktop. Sudo apt to install gnome-shell-extension-manager-y. Open Extension Manager. I highly recommend installing Dash to Dock. This adds a permanent taskbar dock to your desktop, similar to macOS, making navigation much faster. Section 7. Step 6. Set up automatic updates. Step 6. Configure automatic security updates. You want Ubuntu to automatically install critical security patches without you having to remember to do it manually. Open Software and Updates, go to the Updates tab. Set Automatically check for updates to daily. Set when there are security updates to download and install automatically. For other updates, set to Display Weekly. This way, Ubuntu handles security automatically but asks you before installing big feature updates. This simple configuration keeps your system protected without any effort on your part. Security is one area where Ubuntu genuinely outshines. Windows patches are fast, silent, and never force you to restart at the worst possible moment. Section 8. Step 7. Learn the essential terminal commands. Step 7. Learn the 10 terminal commands that will handle 90% of everything you ever need to do in Linux. Don't be afraid of the terminal. It is your best friend. Once you're comfortable here, you'll be faster than any Windows user clicking through menus. Number 1. Navigate folders. CD folder name. CD means change directory. This is how you move around. Number 2, go back one folder, cd ... Number 3, see what's in the current folder, ls-la. This lists everything including hidden files. Number 4, create a new folder, mkdir folder name. Number 5, copy a file, cpfile.txt/destination/. Number 6, move or rename a file, mvfile.txt/destination/. Number 7, delete a file, rm file name. Warning: Linux has no recycle bin in the terminal. Deleted means deleted forever. Number 8, find out how much disk space you have, df-h. Number 9, see running processes and system usage. htop is C, install it first. With sudo apt install htop-y, think of it as Task Manager for Linux. Number 10, search for anything inside files. grep-r search term/folder/screenshot. This list, these 10 commands will serve you for the rest of your Linux life. Section 9, Step 8, set up Firefox for privacy. Step 8, configure Firefox for privacy and performance. Firefox comes pre-installed on Ubuntu and it's an excellent browser. A few quick settings make it significantly better. Open Firefox settings. Under Privacy and Security, set Enhanced Tracking Protection to Strict. This blocks the vast majority of trackers, ads, and surveillance scripts on the web. Scroll down to DNS over HTTPS, enable it, and set it to Cloudflare or NextDNS. This encrypts your DNS queries so your internet provider can't see every website you visit. Now install 2 extensions that every Ubuntu user should have: uBlock Origin, the gold standard ad, and Tracker Blocker. Free, lightweight, and devastatingly effective. Bitwarden, a free, open-source password manager. Stop reusing passwords. This stores everything securely. 2 extensions, 5 minutes, and your browser is now significantly more private and secure than anything you'd get on Windows. Section 10. Step 9. Configure backups. Step 9. Set up automatic backups. This one step has saved more people from disaster than anything else. Ubuntu comes with a backup tool called Deja Dup built in. Search for backups in your Applications menu and open it. Click the Settings gear. Choose what to back up. Your home folder is the most important. Choose a backup location, an external drive, a network folder, or even Google Drive. Works perfectly here. Set automatic backups to weekly minimum, daily if you do important work. Click Backup Now to create your first backup immediately. Now, if anything ever goes wrong, corruption, accidental deletion, hardware failure, you can restore everything in minutes. If you're running Ubuntu inside a virtual machine, I also strongly recommend creating a checkpoint in Hyper-V or a snapshot in your VM manager right now while your system is fresh and clean. That snapshot becomes your permanent restore point. Section 11. Step 10. Explore the Software Center. Step 10. Explore the Ubuntu Software Center and discover your new app ecosystem. Click on the Ubuntu software icon in your dock. This is essentially your app store, thousands of free open-source applications available with one click. Here are the apps I recommend every new Ubuntu user installs. GIMP free, professional image editor. Think Photoshop but free. LibreOffice. If it's not already installed, this is a full Microsoft Office replacement. Opens Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files perfectly. Timeshift, a powerful system snapshot tool like a time machine for your entire OS. Install this immediately. Sudo apt install timeshift-y. Flameshot, the best screenshot tool on Linux. Sudo apt install flameshot-y. Stacer, a beautiful system cleaner and monitor. Sudo apt install stacer-y. Every single one of these is completely free. No trials, no subscriptions, no license keys. This is the world you just entered. Let's recap your complete Ubuntu setup checklist. Step 1. Updated the entire system. Step 2. Installed essential tools. Step 3. Enabled hardware drivers. Step 4. Installed media codecs. Step 5. Customize the desktop. Step 6. Set up automatic security updates. Step 7. Learned the essential terminal commands. Step 8. Configured Firefox for privacy. Step 9. Set up automatic backups. Step 10. Explored the Software Center. Your Ubuntu system is now fully configured, secure, personalized, and ready for serious work. You want to go deeper? I have videos on stripping Windows bloat completely, running multiple OS platforms on one machine, and building a full development environment on Ubuntu, all linked below. If this video helped you take your first real steps into Linux, hit the like button. It means the world and helps other beginners find this guide. Subscribe for more no-nonsense Linux and virtualization tutorials every week, and drop a comment below. Tell me what you're going to use Ubuntu for. I read every single one. See you in the next video.